Shaba Feliso more on Orlando Paris' team news ahead of the Carling knockout final clash with the Marumo Galan. So siqala midfielder Selailo Rasibuch on your top left of the screen. Selailo Rasibuch, I guess, sustained a long-term ACL injury, but nonetheless, he has been training now for quite some time. But I don't think Guti he is ready to feature in Orlando Paris' match versus Marumo Gallants alongside his fellow midfielder that is Simphiwe Slepe, who was speculated to have shown interest by an unnamed Swedish club. But nonetheless, Simphiwe Slepe trained namhlanje ahead of Orlando Paris' next match. And then we move on to any midfielder futhi Sihle Nduli, which I doubt ukuthi naye izoba involved because Sihle Nduli has not been named in Orlando Paris' match day squad for 2 consecutive matches. And then ngaphezu koSihle Nduli we have uLibone Siyama. The defender was a noticeable absentee kumdlalo Orlando Pirates neDurban City kule weekend lesisuka kuyo ngomgqibelo ngokutsho, but I assure you ukuthi he will be involved in Carling knockout final versus Orlando Pirates neMarumo Gallants.